Donna. And Donna attention was drawn. After Donna turn around, Donna see him they give you the basket, pointing to the African man. Right? He never said nothing at the time. When they realized who them a carry the basket go get. Listen to him when he was walking down, going down in the woman yard. He say, nah, give nobody who able body and tira not the basket. You understand? He will already having plans already because he feel to himself say the woman disrespect him. So he ain't go give the woman no basket. But when they say and when they do, draw my attention. Draw my attention. It could have been easy. Give one basket and he do Tory done. Me not have no basket and it Tory done. But I want say, and I want they say, going down there, half time give the woman the basket, that is what? You understand? So why only they come, how no they defend Donna, how no they chat this about the man, how no they talk, what me they talk about and what me they show. You understand? Me don't know what I want to see. Because at 10 we can see something completely different. What the lady said. So right off, yes, so more ladies, any more ladies, and the lady come down and said, the lady in the green and yellow come down and say, stop ball out, but if there's any more ladies, me turn up here, so me a man, let's get in the car. Okay? Right there, so Donna know say there is more than one basket in the car. Wanna get me drift and where I'm going? Take out one of the basket from the van. So right then and there, I know he's not blind, so we know there was more than one basket left in the van. And me they fast forward to one say, at the end of it, there is more than one basket in there, but in just no one get the woman none. Alright, so you can tell me say for video. Me didn't know say me for video. Yes, everything I in a neon light. Carol, you know a video? Me think you in the video. Carol, so you didn't tell me say for video. So no video, the boy gone in the van, gone take out the something, you know, so there's more than one in there, okay? For the person who cannot walk, people who really need help, so he's bringing the basket for them. Not able-bodied, not able-bodied people. Not able-bodied people. But he when don't have the woman from up at the road, because the woman tell him say no one on camera in his face. You don't want no camera in her face and he not take the basket pan the camera. He when don't have up the woman already. So me not give one ras one no one to say. But by the people, he might give it to the people them who can walk. Kudos to that. You understand? What makes him snap for that over here they teach everybody to at the same time? Why? Basket in there. Donna knows more than one way in there. Him knows more than one in there. So the big old surprise and everything. Because me they go to the lesson, me they go to the end of the story before me even go to the first part of it, you know. So from there, so no draw what no one to draw. You understand? Hell. That mean all like you hear everybody go and go sit down because you not get none. And it was so you don't want the camera in your face. You not get none. Alright? When they go down in the people them yard. Of course, they're full of SHIT. The whole of them. What are you trying to justify, people? What are you guys trying to justify? Me no want hear what happened down at Donna yard. Pauline, me no want hear what happened down at Donna yard. Me they criticize the video. And the friend just drink with the beverage and the plate, they right pan the barrel out a door. The curtain, one piece of sheet there, the window, the camera all over in the woman cocoa. Dirty garbage them there ground and all of them sitting there. Uno know no can look. Uno plancatarians know no can very look and look. Uno know. No be blind. All of the sitting them, they go on at this time. And them a question the woman about in medical, whatever they go on. That no way necessary. You come to give the woman the basket, you give the woman the basket. And you're gone. That's it. And me they tell you now, what really get me is what was said after it right here, so. Yeah. Oh, you see to Simpson? Oh, for you, you're clean like for me, what kind of work you do? I'm trained for these things, you know. Because you see, when you do certain tests, then show you one room with everything for 1 minute. One say she they come cause this, then can plan things, you know. Remember then stage all of the house them. Remember then stage all of the whole broke down toilet. Remember then stage all of them sitting there so me no know. The broom did they so. The old pan them did they so. Yeah man, me see everything pan the video. Everything. But that's not what me they talk about. Me they talk about the man action. And remember, Donna already knew there was more than one basket left in the car. Because she said it up there, so. She said it up there. Tell the driver if he bring one of the basket, come. Tell the driver and everybody did they talk. Carol, you know, video and all of them sinting them. Remember, say all of them, they sinting they take place up there, so. Alright? Because no, look how no, see. Then I realize, say, no fear Bucky. And the man Bucky. Even with the broke glass, what in there? Yeah, man, even with the broke glass, what you they give it to the diabetic woman, fi go cut him, fi then go cut off the woman finger this time. Because they don't cut off the woman to them already because of one little nail stick, you know. When you're diabetic, you have to be very careful. She giving the woman the basket now with a broke glass. That's not good. That's not good either. Can you find America then day, where them a people ahead upon them body, oh, then cut themselves with it. Who you think then go sue? The two of them. The two of them. But that's okay. We not talk about that right now. Because since they want going on nitty-gritty, we not talk about that right now. They tell the woman, say, you know, no more basket and all of them fuckery there, you know. So there's no way Donna can say to him, get one other basket while having a proper glass in there. He can't say that. Because the lie already they go on. So she have to cover up the lie. The lie already they go on. So she have to cover it up. Because she already knows that the cup broke. No forget the woman the broke cup. So since you don't want it tear down, let me tear it down for you. Right now, the lady they 2 steps away. Because me go show you the lady in front of them when they go up. And when Donna turned around and said to him, the lady that you was talking to who want the basket, pointing pan her, she right in front there, so. He say, the basket done. Donna say, oh, you done? Oh, cause I went on go 4 way in there. No, I know you 4 way in there. You know basket still in there. You know basket still in there. So since you don't want me tear it down for you, let me tear it down for you. Franny come out of the van until he reach down there so and come back up.